Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and it's time to open some more Advents. So let's start out with some Halloween stitch markers. If I can get it started. Okay, so can't really see it. Here's the first stitch marker. It's got a web. It's very pretty. So there's one. I've got 3 of these to open because I had to catch up on my days. And then here's the next one. It's a kitty cat, and it's backwards, isn't it? Oh, there it is. There's the kitty cat. And then another one. These stitch markers are done by Ellie Leva, which is super cool. I absolutely love these. Ooh, my nose is itching. And then there's another one. Alright, and the next set are scary movies. And you guys know that's right up my alley. If I can get the... Boy. Sometimes the tissue paper doesn't want to cooperate. So, here is a man backwards. Oh, it's the scary ghost! I like him. Alright, and now for the next one. Oh, she wraps these so good. You can't even guess what's in them. They're wrapped up so well. Oh, make sure I get it the right way. Oh, this is awesome. Look. A Slender Man. That's awesome. And one more, this one. So all these stitch markers, like I said, they are done by Ellie Leva. She's pretty cool. And I can get this one up here. There we go. Halloween's Michael Myers. Alright, and then my nose has been itching me. Then I have yesterday's and today's, and these are from Hearts on Fiber, Halloween Advents. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Feels like yarn. It's yarn. Oh, that's just beautiful. That's beautiful. Love that. I actually happen to have the mini skein sitting on my desk from the ones I opened earlier. And then there's one more to open. This is day 7. Oh, I love it. I love... Oh, it's blowing out so much. Oh, it's beautiful. So these are the mini skeins for the Hearts on Fiber box so far. There they all are. Oh, they are going to look stunning together. Absolutely stunning. Love, love, love those. Perfect. Fantastic. Love it. So, until we meet again to see the next box and little packets to open up for the Halloween Advent. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.